Wow, Leo, we're finally here. Let's go and explore inside. Leo, look at that huge crocodile. We're at Hartley's Crocodile Adventures. I wonder what we're going to discover here today. Come on, Leo. Let's see what we can find. Saltwater crocodiles can grow more than 5 meters long. Wow! Look how quietly it moves, Leo. Saltwater crocodiles can grow more than 5 meters long. That's bigger than our car. Look, Leo. We can barely see him now. Crocodiles can hide almost their whole body underwater while keeping their eyes above the surface. That's pretty clever. Look at all those teeth, Leo. Crocodiles can have around 60 teeth in their mouth at once. I definitely wouldn't want to get too close. Those crocodiles were incredible, Leo. But there's still so much more to see. Come on, let's find out what's around the corner. Leo, look up. There's a koala in the tree. Koalas spend most of their day sleeping, sometimes up to 20 hours. He's having his lunch, Leo. Koalas mostly eat eucalyptus leaves. They even get most of the water they need from they eat. Look at them, Leo. Kangaroos have really powerful back legs, and they use their big tails to help them balance. Imagine being able to hop everywhere. Leo, look! There's a little Joey in her pouch. Baby kangaroos are tiny when they're born, so the pouch keeps them safe while they grow bigger. That little Josie was so cute, Leo. We've already seen crocodiles, koalas, and kangaroos, but I think there's still plenty more waiting for us. Come on. Come on, Leo. These stairs must lead somewhere. I wonder what's waiting for us at the top. Whoa, Leo! Look at the size of that tortoise! Giant tortoise can live for more than 100 years. Imagine all the adventures he's seen. He's hungry, Leo. Giant tortoises mostly eat plants like grass, leaves, and fruit. With a body that big, I think he'd need a pretty big lunch. Hey, Leo, look! There's a boat down there. I think they're taking people out onto the Crocodile lagoon. Come on, let's go see. Okay, Leo, we're on the boat. Now we have to keep our eyes on the water. I wonder if we'll spot a crocodile hiding out there. Keep looking, Leo. Crocodiles can be really hard to spot when they're hiding in the water. We might only see their eyes and the top of their head. Leo, there! I found one! Look how quietly it's swimming towards us. You can hardly see the rest of its body under the water. Leo, look! He's coming closer to the food. Crocodiles have incredibly powerful tails that help push them through the water. I think he's getting ready. Whoa, Leo! Did you see that? That was incredible, Leo. He came straight out of the water so fast. I never knew crocodiles could move like that. That was definitely the most exciting part of our boat ride, Leo. Let's head back and see what other animals we can discover around the park. That boat ride was so much fun, Leo. But our adventure isn't finished yet. Come on, let's see what else we can find. Look at that snake, Leo. It's a scrub python. They aren't venomous. They wrap around their prey instead. And some can grow really, really long. Look how smoothly it moves, Leo. Snakes don't even have legs, but they're still amazing climbers. This one looks right at home up in the trees. Look at all the turtles, Leo. They're so peaceful in the water. Turtles can pull their head and legs inside their hard shell when they need protection. It's like carrying your own little house. Leo, look at that big lizard. That's a lace monitor. They're lace monitor and use their long claws to climb trees when they're looking for food.
Look, Leo. He's climbing the tree already. Those big claws make it look so easy. I wonder how high he'll go.
There's so much hiding in this rainforest, Leo. We've seen animals on the ground, in the trees, and even underwater. Come on, let's see what we can find next. Leo, look up. They're flying foxes. And they're hanging fox upside down. They help the rainforest by carrying pollen and seeds from one place to another. Look, Leo. There it goes. Flying wings are huge. Flying foxes can travel a long way at night looking for flowers and fruit. Look at him watching the food, Leo. Crocodiles can stay completely still while they wait for the perfect moment to move. He's being very patient. Whoa, that was fast, Leo! Crocodiles have incredibly powerful jaws, so when they grab their food, they hold on really tight. He looks like he's sunbaking, Leo. Crocodiles are cold-blooded, so they use the conbruted to help control their warm body sun temperature. That's why we see them lying in the sun. Look at those pelicans, Leo. That huge pouch under their beak helps them scoop fish from the water. It's like having a fishing net attached to your face. What a day, Leo! We saw koalas, kangaroos, giant tortoises, and so many crocodiles. But watching that huge crocodile jump out of the water was my favorite part. I think my favorite part was the boat ride, Leo. Seeing that huge crocodile jump right out of the water was incredible. What an adventure we've had today. Goodbye, Hartleys. We had such a fun day exploring and learning about all the animals. Come on, Leo. It's time for our next adventure.